Hello everyone, welcome to our next lecture, Multirotor versus Fixed Wing Survey Drones. When it comes to drone surveying, not all drones are designed the same way. In fact, the type of drone you choose can significantly affect the efficiency, coverage, and results of your survey mission. Two of the most commonly used drone types in surveying are multirotor drones and fixed wing drones. Each has its own strengths and is suited for different kinds of projects. Let's start with multirotor drones. Multirotor drones are the drones most people are familiar with. They typically have 4, 6, or 8 propellers which allow them to hover in place and maneuver easily. One of the biggest advantages of multirotor drones is precision and control. Because they can hover steadily in the air, they are excellent for capturing detailed images of smaller areas or specific structures. Multirotor drones are widely used in construction site mapping, building inspections, infrastructure surveys, and small to medium land surveys. Another advantage is their ease of use. Multirotor drones usually have simpler flight controls and require less space for takeoff and landing. Many can take off vertically from a small area, making them ideal for urban environments or tight spaces. However, multirotor drones also have some limitations. Their battery life is typically shorter, often allowing flight times of around 20 to 40 minutes, depending on the drone model. Because of this, they are generally better suited for smaller survey areas. Now let's look at fixed wing drones. Fixed wing drones resemble small airplanes rather than quadcopters. Instead of multiple rotors, they use wings to generate lift, allowing them to glide efficiently through the air. One of the biggest advantages of fixed wing drones is long flight endurance. These drones can often stay in the air for 1 hour or more, which allows them to cover very large areas in a single flight. Because of this capability, fixed wing drones are commonly used for large scale mapping projects such as agricultural land surveys, mining operations, environmental monitoring, and large infrastructure mapping. Fixed wing drones are also more energy efficient, allowing them to travel longer distances while capturing data. However, they also come with some challenges. Unlike multi-rotor drones, fixed wing drones cannot hover in place, which makes them less suitable for detailed inspections. They also require more space for takeoff and landing, and their operation can be slightly more complex. So, which type of drone is better? The answer depends on the size of the project and the type of data required. Multi-rotor drones are ideal for smaller areas, detailed inspections, and precise imaging, while fixed-wing drones are better for large area mapping and long-distance surveys. Professional surveyors often choose their drone platform based on the specific requirements of the mission. In the next lecture, we'll explore another important component of drone surveying, the sensors used to capture aerial data, including RGB cameras, LiDAR systems, and multispectral sensors. Thank you.